I noticed around when I was 21, 22, beginning to thin out and top. I wasn't able to style my hair, and going out, you know, especially at night, nightclubs, you're not allowed to wear a hat. I even tried going bald a couple times, shaved it completely off, and it wasn't that bad, but it didn't feel like me. Keith's Haircenter was the first one that popped up. It was local, it was convenient, I liked the reviews, and then when I came in person and talked to Keith, I felt like this was the right choice. I always kind of wanted to do the pompadour style, so we're going with something along those lines. They'll fading in the sides, and I've let my beard grow just so that they can do whatever they want it to. I haven't touched it, trimmed it, or anything, so. After seeing the final end product, I'm excited and thrilled to get out there and go see some of my friends, maybe have a couple of drinks tonight and see what they say. Definitely can't wait to see what my girlfriend says. By far, I will recommend Keith's Haircenter to all the people that I see that might benefit from it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about too much research. Just come in and trust everything that Keith says, because everything that Keith promised is definitely what you're going to get.